Hi, this is Joe Ator from Frankfurt on Foot, and today we're at the Goethe House. This is a reconstruction of the house where Goethe was born in 1749, but we're going to go inside and take a little look at what the city did when they reconstructed it. Okay, we're in the Goethe House now. We're just going to do a quick run through, just so you can see what we have. I couldn't bring my gimbal, so you'll have to excuse me if it's a little bit shaky today. I don't know about you, but I like old kitchens. Beautiful blue. Family dining room. The yellow room, of course. Those are cool. Fabulous Frankfurter trunk. We'll go upstairs. Try and walk as evenly as possible. Without my gimbal, it's a little bit tough. They refuse to let me bring it inside. The music room. Two more Frankfurter trunks. The red room, or the Peking room. Cool wallpaper, eh? The green room. Drawings of Italy. Frankfurt online. This is the room of Goethe's sister, Cornelia. Birth announcement. This is his mother's room. This is Goethe's mom. This is the painting collection from Goethe's dad. Goethe's father's room. That guy was a lawyer. Look at all these fabulous old books. Oh, we forgot the clock. Sorry, there was somebody looking at it before. The astronomical clock. Days of sun, or hours of sunlight, moon, day of the week, month, and year. And this little bear lies down when it's almost too late to get it wound back up again. Last floor. This is pretty cool. This is left over from the coronation of Joseph II. And there's Frankfurt. Dome, Alta Brücke. This was Goethe and Cornelia's puppet theater. This is Goethe's room, where he wrote lots of his stories. These are all the things that made Goethe famous, all his books. And this is a laundry press. So, thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe. It's been fun having you along. Bye.